Dim light reveals a cramped apartment, its disarray mirroring the man's inner turmoil. Unpaid bills encircle him like accusing specters. His face, a canvas of weariness, reflects years of unseen struggles. Despair hangs heavy in the air, a palpable presence in the cluttered room. The room is dark, lifeless, a tomb of broken dreams and forgotten hopes. "Why do I keep trying if nothing ever changes?" he asks, his voice a whisper lost in the shadows. Man walks, lost, oblivious to the city's chaos. An old man struggles with heavy bags, his face etched with strain against the city's relentless pace. The man hesitates, his inner conflict evident as he pauses, caught between indifference and a stirring of conscience. A subtle shift occurs as a flicker of empathy ignites in his eyes, hinting at a decision. The city fades as his focus narrows on the old man's plight, a silent promise forming in his gaze. Under the afternoon sun, a man helps the old man, carefully carrying heavy bags toward a humble apartment. Long shadows stretch, emphasizing the simplicity of the old man's home. The old man sighs, his eyes reflecting a lifetime of stories and struggles. "You have a good heart," the old man says, his voice raspy with age and wisdom. "Don't ever let the world take that from you," he adds, his words hanging in the air. The man is moved by the simple words, a spark of hope igniting within him. The sterile office hums under fluorescent lights, a battleground for unspoken tension. The boss speaks, his words unheard, yet their impact is a palpable weight in the air. The man's face contorts in shock, like a deer frozen in the blinding glare of headlights. A slow, heavy resignation washes over him, the quiet surrender to an unseen force. In his dim apartment, the man sits defeated, the weight of the old man's words crushing him in the suffocating darkness. "What is this teaching me?" he murmurs, his voice a mere whisper against the silence. He closes his eyes, takes a deep breath, the question hanging heavily in the air. A flicker of resolve ignites within him, a subtle shift in his posture hinting at a renewed determination. A rapid montage shows the man immersed in workshops, absorbing new skills with focused intensity. He navigates networking events, his initial hesitation replaced by confident engagement. Challenges test his resolve, each setback met with a newfound resilience and determination. Patience becomes his ally, suppressing frustration as he perseveres through obstacles. His face, etched with determination, reflects the profound growth and transformation within. Months later, sunlight bathes the park as the man walks, a newfound peace radiating from him. He smiles, a deep realization dawning as he acknowledges life's enduring challenges. The vibrant park teems with life, reflecting his own transformation and resilience. He understands the profound truth. Growth lies just beyond the point of surrender. In the bright day, he walks on, stronger, wiser, and at peace amidst the bustling park.